Let's go. I'm just letting Novelle lead the way today, and she chose this way. Which way are you going now, Mary? Okay, we're going a different way today. Things we gotta do for our pups, huh? She's not even going right in this stroller. So funny. Ah, no, come on. Guys, so I'm gonna be cooking dinner tonight. I'm just gonna be making some top loin New York strip steak bone in. And if this wasn't on sale, it would be almost $20 a pound. Isn't that ridiculous? But it was on sale, and it was for like $10 a pound, half off. But anyways, I'm gonna make one for me and Nevaeh. I'm so hungry right now. Alrighty guys, so I will be using my smokeless grill. Wow. So I think I only use this like a couple times. Sorry, I don't know. Oh my, I don't want to bring the tripod with out here that is like the ring light. Okay, so we're gonna use this smokeless grill that I've only used one time. Okay. Let's see. Let's check this out first. So this is the Power XL smokeless grill. Yeah, I just got home from work and I'm like so hungry. I took lunch today and then that's all I ate, and I got my coffee bean. They have like a special on Mondays, so I got that, like a pumpkin blended. Okay, let's see. They even have a little, what is that called, cookbook in here. Okay. 23. Let's see. Nevaeh is just like staring at me right now. Okay. I don't even know what is what. Okay, but I think I'm gonna put that one on that. I think we even used this when we had the barbecue at home, the Korean barbecue at home. Okay. Okay. $3.75 is gonna be. Okay, now we gotta, hang on, let me switch you guys around. Alrighty guys, so I'm just gonna season it with some salt, pepper, and maybe some garlic. And then we're gonna just let that sit for half an hour. We're gonna let it sit for half an hour and then we're gonna cook it. So what I'm using is kosher salt. Okay, I'm gonna make some without salt for Navea. So like, I gotta rinse this off. Okay, now it looks clear. Cannot forget about Navea. Okay. I am so hungry. I'm gonna make rice and some asparagus with this. Okay, and then this is gonna sit here for half an hour. We'll be right back. Okay, so I'm just preheating this right now. Okay. Ensure that the water tray is placed and filled in about. Okay. I'm gonna like put some of this on olive oil, and then kind of like this. I'm using one hand. You guys can tell that I bring the ring light out, huh? But yeah. Put that on. And I'm gonna turn this around. The same thing. The first one just gonna go regular. That's Navea's one. Okay. So the thing is, you gotta heat up the grill first. Okay, we're gonna do about 3 to 5 minutes. We'll be back. It smells so good. Okay, and I'm gonna cook this asparagus in here. I was gonna kind of like fry it. Okay, just gonna be frying up with the butter, and then I have my rice here. Looks good. All right, so I'm just gonna cook Navea's piece a little bit and then give her. You know, some days you just want a piece of steak. That's it. Okay. So I just flipped it. So that's the bear's one. It doesn't have to be cooked like really good because it's just a food. This dog. It's probably better for her. I know this piece got like a lot of fat, yeah. I don't know, it's pretty good, this. Okay, let that cool down and then that's what's Navea's dinner. That's her dinner. You know, like us watch you. Go eat. Okay. I'm not gonna watch you then. Okay. See? She don't like us watch her. Good. Is that how you eat your food? I guess. Jewel, good job. Okay, good job. It says smokeless, but there's just a little bit of smoke. You see that? Small kind. And it's at 400 still. Okay. So. Okay, I like it when it's like kind of crispy, okay? Don't judge. That's looking good already. I'm gonna take it off already, and then we are gonna let it rest for 5 minutes. Now I gotta clean all this after when it cools down. So we'll be back. Dinner. And don't forget this for the asparagus. That's okay. Looks good. Guys, so I'm gonna have my dinner now. Somebody is over here wanting some more, even though I just gave her some. Okay, so I don't know. I wanted to try to do like a getting to know me video. Maybe you guys can ask questions if you want. Leave them down below, or maybe, yeah. If you guys want me to do like a Q&A, you can leave your questions down below. I'm just so hungry for a steak today. Came out pretty good. It's pretty simple, you know, it's a pretty simple and easy dinner. Already. What are you doing over there? Alright, I'm gonna finish up this. Alright, I'm gonna finish up my dinner. Now I will probably end the video here. If you guys got any questions for me, leave them down below. And then I'll see you guys in my next video.